I want to ask you to give us your thoughts on who is best placed, in your opinion, to weather this storm here in the GCC particularly, because obviously we've seen this report of 5.5% growth in Dubai. My question is, with Saudi Arabia, obviously they've got a heck of a lot still in reserve. We know that their sovereign wealth fund, in terms of the public investment fund, has an arm to lend to SMEs. Is this the way forward, do you think? Who's coming out of this alive, in your opinion?
Well, I think everyone comes out of it alive, Hadley. It's just that they're going to be very badly damaged. And there is a way, in my opinion, to try and alleviate the inevitable pain, and that is to lean on sovereign wealth funds. The one thing that we have to bear in mind is that although the medical pandemic is a global phenomenon, we do have additional issues within our region, specifically the lower oil prices, which of course is very important, and what is expected to be an exodus of millions of expats, which clearly will affect the demand side of the equation across the economies. And so when you consider these significant factors, it's very difficult to argue that the policy responses have been sufficient to deal with these extraordinary events. So I think sovereign wealth funds, and by all accounts, there's about $2 trillion of assets at these regional sovereign wealth funds. These need to be deployed. Sovereign wealth funds have multiple objectives, but one of them is that they are rainy day funds, and this is a rainy day. And so the argument is that in the same way that the Federal Reserve and the government of the United States have stepped in to correct some of the market inefficiencies and market dislocations, there is a role for sovereign wealth funds to do exactly the same in the region.